In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts to Gmail quickly and easily. This is a simple but very useful skill because once you save a contact, it becomes much easier to email, organize, and manage your important connections across Google services. Whether you're adding a friend, a client, a coworker, or a family member, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. This is Google Contacts, and it's the main place where Gmail stores and manages your contact information. Once the page loads, sign in with the Gmail account you want to use. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Google account on your device. After you sign in, you'll see your Google Contacts dashboard. From here, look for the Create Contact button. This is the option you need to add a brand new contact to your account. Go ahead and click Create Contact and then choose whether you want to create a single contact or, in some cases, import multiple contacts. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding one contact at a time. Now the contact form will appear, and this is where you can enter the main details. Start with the person's name, then add their email address, phone number, and any other key information you want to save. You can also fill in extra fields if needed, such as company name, job title, birthday, notes, or additional phone numbers. The more details you add here, the easier it will be to identify and use the contact later. Take your time and double check the information as you type it in. Making sure the email and phone number are correct is especially important because those are the details you'll likely use most often. If you want, you can keep it simple and only enter the basic fields, or you can fully customize the contact with as much information as you need. Once everything looks good, click Save. Google will store the contact in your account and it will now be available anytime you use Gmail or other Google services. That means when you start typing their name in Gmail, Google can help suggest the contact automatically, making emailing faster and easier. And that's it. You've just learned how to add contacts to Gmail using Google Contacts. It only takes a minute once you know where to go. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple step-by-step tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.